Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing great. And if you're new, my name is Cindy. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So today is a day in the life of a YouTube mom. So you're going to be seeing me doing behind the scenes when I'm filming and mommy things. So let's get started. I just wanted to share with you guys my little behind the scenes when I film and stuff, because I'm going to be filming today and my little setup and whatnot. So right now I just finished ironing my little backdrop, even though it looks red, but it's not red. It's like a raspberry kind of pinkish. It's really cute. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I'm gonna set you guys around here what you guys could see. I have a feeling my camera is going to die. I'm trying to charge it as I'm filming, so fingers crossed. Alright you guys, so my battery is about to die on this camera, but yeah, this is my little setup, and I usually put everything together because this is obviously separate. Like I can unscrew this and take it out and put it in its own little case. Same thing with the ring light. It saves a lot of time if you leave the stuff up. One day my goal is to have my own little studio, and that way I don't have to put it up and down and whatnot, and maybe have a little bit more space. But yeah, hopefully one day. Hi mama. Her hair is so stubborn, like no se presta, like you can't really comb it. It's kind of hard to comb it. It was probably a miracle that I kind of grabbed her little pigtail. Right mama? Right mama? ¿A comer? Wanna eat? Yeah. She points now. I don't know where she got that from, but now she points, you see? The other day we asked her, where's Natalie? And then, which is her sister, and she just pointed, and the first time we saw her do that, we didn't know what she was trying to say. We thought she was saying that she was one, but then my husband asked her again, and I guess he figured it out that she was pointing at her sister, that there she is. That's so cute. Let's comiendo fresas, corazón. Yeah, you see she threw them on her tray here from her little bowl. You just love throwing things, huh mama? Corazón. Lemon. Yummy, yummy, yummy. ¿Te gusta la fresa? So today I actually cooked my food, my dinner on my crock pot, and I got the recipe from Pinterest, and these are chicken thighs. So I didn't really want them to get too dry because they're boneless. I thought I grabbed them with a bone, I added all the vegetables that I had on hand, which is zucchini, and I added 3 cut, the red potatoes, and I added half of a tomato just to give it some juicy flavor, and then just some seasoning. Alright, so this is my dinner, and I think it's done because it was supposed to be on low for 4 hours, and I put it in this morning around 8:30, I think. Let me check. It's very tender. Oh yeah, this is done. See my zucchini in there. I love zucchini. Zucchini. I had onions and red potatoes, zucchini, and tomato. I think I added too much water, but it's okay. I'll just drain it out a little bit because I don't want these potatoes to go too soggy. They're still a little hard. Oh, they're perfect. Okay. I can't wait for dinner. So now I'm just gonna make some rice, and I think we should be good. So what I did on this chicken, I did it's paprika, salt, pepper, and a little bit of thyme, and some garlic. So dinner is done, chica. Here I just mixed tomato, onions, and garlic, and I already put a tablespoon of this bouillon, I think it's called. Well, we know this as Nor Suiza, even though it doesn't say here anywhere, Nor Suiza. But yeah, this gives it a very good flavor to the rice. So this is what I'm looking for, the brown. It's kind of like brown. It kind of looks like dry, I guess you could say. So that is pretty much it done. I'm just gonna add the liquid now. So that looks good. I like it nice and red. Ugh. Yum yum yum. I love rice. So now I'm gonna try it and see if it needs more norcisa or if it needs any salt. I haven't added any salt because this already has enough salt. But if it does need salt, I'll go ahead and put some. I think it needs just a little bit. That's good. Good enough for me. And maybe just a little dash of salt, but not too much. So now we're just gonna let it boil and cook, and dinner is ready. That looks delicious. It's almost done. Loves this blanket. My mom made her this blanket. It was one of her bed sheets, and she sewed it into a blanket. She made her like 3 of these. Right, mama? Right, corazón? Sweet dreams. I love you. So this is the little behind the scenes of my outfit that I'm wearing. Yoga capris. With the fancy, what is this? It's supposed to be a dress, but it's kind of short for me because look, it has a slit right here. Yeah, I'll not be able to wear that out. So yeah, now it's playtime with my little darling here. Look at you, mama. Let's play, yeah. Let's play. Everly. Hi, Everly. Hello. Can you clean up aisle 2? Corazón. For some reason, Zoe dislikes stickers or any like kind of like sticky stuff like tape or anything. And I just took away a sticker away from Everly and she just went crazy. Right, Zoe? Oh my god, it's going crazy. Even the sound, I feel like she doesn't like the sound. I don't know what it is. I don't know if she gets excited or what. Oh my god, she's going crazy. ¿Qué pasa, corazón? Like the Legos? Let's see the Legos. She likes to take them apart. ¿Dónde está el otro, corazón? Are you sitting on it? You're sitting on it. ¿Y ya, corazón? If I can build it like so, and then she tears it apart. Otra vez. Otra vez. Así. Can't keep up. Oh. You beat me. Bravo. Bravo. Otra vez. Ay. No. You beat me. You're too fast for me. Ay. Cállate. Ay, comadre. Déjame ponerlo junto. Zapatos, corazón. Ready to pick up Nani? Vamos a recoger a Nani a la escuela, ¿ok? Let's go. Oh my god, you guys, when I folded the stroller right now, my key, I only have like the key, my car key, watch, just the key. I can't hook it up to anything. So I folded my stroller and the key just flew out, and it was like this much to fall to the ground, which is like 4 floors down. Whew, thank you, Lord. Even my stomach hurted for a moment there. But man, that was scary. But anyways, let's go. I gotta go pick him up, baby. Oh my god. You know what? I'm a little scared right now. Well, I had a little scare a little bit ago. I just received an email from my daughter's school that there was like a shooting around the neighborhood where my daughter's school is. So I was kind of freaked out for a moment there. My heart sunk. But in the email said everybody is okay, everybody's fine. But yeah, everything's fine. Thank you, Lord. Now let's go get my baby. Alright, so my girls are eating rice, chicken, and some carrots. And this one's eating chicken, avocado. She scarfed it down, rice, and then some zucchini and some potatoes. Yummy, corazon?
The rice is hot.
Oh, I'm sorry, corazon. And I'm having rice with veggies and chicken in there somewhere. So yummy. Who's gonna take a nap? Nap time. Nap time. Teta. Leche. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. ¿Te acuesto? Uh-oh. Ay. I love you. Sweet dreams, corazón. Alright guys, so that is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed my a day in the life of a YouTuber mom. It was actually pretty good. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. A little bit of behind the scenes of being a YouTuber, along with being a mom as well, and a housewife. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. I love you, and see you in the next one. Bye.